Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to effectively utilize Valerian in Etheria. Restart. Valerian is an exceptional support character, vital for keeping your team alive and empowered. She shines by equalizing health across all allies, ensuring no one falls too quickly. Her signature Hazy Dream state grants powerful shields and beneficial buffs, making her a cornerstone for sustained battles. Understanding her core mechanics is the first step to mastering her unique support capabilities and dominating your encounters. Mastering Valerian's Hazy Dream is key to her effectiveness. Activated by her Deep Sleep skill, this state lasts for 2 turns, making Valerian immune to many disruptive effects. During Hazy Dream, each ally starting their turn receives a shield equivalent to 12% of Valerian's maximum health. Additionally, they are granted a beneficial buff they don't already possess, like increased attack or defense, significantly boosting your team's combat readiness. Valerian's toolkit is designed for comprehensive team support. Her Deep Sleep skill is paramount, equalizing ally health and activating Hazy Dream for 2 turns. The Bubble skill provides a crucial 1-turn invincibility to a chosen ally, alongside a heal over time effect for the entire team. If the target's health is below 50%, the heal over time duration extends by 1 turn. Finally, Profound Dream offers single target damage with a 40% chance to put an enemy to sleep. To maximize Valerian's potential, strategic building is essential. Prioritize upgrading her skill 3, Deep Sleep, to level 5. This allows her to start battles immediately in Hazy Dream. Equip her with gear that boosts her maximum health and speed, ensuring she can apply shields and buffs effectively. Valerian thrives in teams that can leverage her consistent buffs and damage prevention, making her an invaluable asset when positioned to activate her abilities early in every encounter.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.